Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to send USDT from OKX Wallet to the Phantom Wallet. Now, in order to send your USDT from the OKX Wallet to the Phantom Wallet, minimize and open up the Phantom Wallet. Once you've opened up the Phantom Wallet, at the receive icon, click on this receive. You get to find that you could send your USDT in 3 different networks, from the Solana to the Ethereum to the Polygon. All these networks are accessible and usable on the Phantom Wallet. So with this information, all you need to do is simply copy wallet address here. So copy the Solana wallet address. Once you've copied it, minimize and open up your OKX wallet and simply scroll through and click on USDT. Alright guys, once you've selected USDT, simply simply use the network toggle at the top of the screen, which is basically a horizontal scroll at the top of the screen to select your network. And in this tutorial, we're going to be going with the Solana network, which means you're going to need to have Solana on your wallet to cover this transaction. If you do not have Solana on your wallet, you could easily swap your USDT into Solana or buy Solana through a third party and send or deposit on the OKX wallet. Alright guys, so once you have Solana to cover your gas fees, click on the send icon, paste the address, click on confirm, and now simply enter an amount of USDT in the Solana network you wish to send. So let's say you have $2,000 worth. All you need to do is click on next, and you'd have successfully sent your USDT over to the Phantom Wallet. And at the Phantom Wallet, all you need to do is perform a reload, and you'd find the USDT token here. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.